gonna finish the hand. And then we're gonna finish the body. Okay, 1, 2, 2. And then you do like this.
That's right, because today is my special day. What's so special about today? Oh, but you don't know. Come on, let's get this party started.
There are no parties scheduled today.
Oh, I get it. You're all doing it's a surprise style thing. I love it. I'll just step out of the room for a moment.
Make it a decade.
Oh, getting roasted on my special day. Classic. 1, 2, cake is in the room. 3, 4, 5, candles lit. 6, 7, 8, party hats on. 9, 10. You guys, we didn't have to. Oh, you need more time to set up. Okay, I'll be back. No way! Wow! You should have.
Will you stop that? We are trying to quietly enjoy our activity.
Oh man, you guys must have some big plans. What's in there?
Hey, what are you doing?
Maybe you had something for me that's like square with cards wrapping and a bell. You know what I'm saying.
You're freaking me out, dude.
What you have in this cup?
Huh?
What did you have wine in this cup?
Oh, it was the spoon that I had used.
Some what?
The spoon that I had used.
Elgin murders, I will wait here ready to be surprised.
Whatever. Titans, go!
Almost done.
This took all day.
And we're back. And I am finished. Pretty cool body.